Hmm. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. My name is Brandi Vale, and I am here as a conduit of the light and a facilitator of vision. And that is my job here today. So I want to bring you this Monday mantra, which is especially a vibrant builder, an energy builder for you to go on throughout your week and also be inspired throughout the day. But before we get into that, I wanted to give a couple of shout outs to the people who are maintaining and feeling into this time. I know a lot of people have been going through transition, and we just want to acknowledge that we're here with you, we're holding space for you, and you are loved. All right, so I wanted to talk a little bit about making decisions and making those decisions in a way that you feel comfortable or absolutely confident, right? You like to feel confident in making decisions, and how to go about that. Well, first, if you haven't figured out what's working for you, what's not working for you in your life, then I suggest you write down what's working for you and what's not working for you. And just take a reevaluation. We're about to come into the next year to start to shed the layers. And what I mean by shed the layers is get rid of some of the weight. You don't have to live with the weight. You can stop worrying. You can stop having anxiety. You can stop the insanity. And if you're perfectly balanced, this message is for you to share, because you have the knowledge and you understand what it takes to stay on a great foundation. So make your list, check it twice, find out if you're naughty or nice, but make your list and really look at each one of the articles that you've written down. Feel into the emotion of what it is you're seeing, and also be okay with surrendering the things that aren't working for you. The thing about energy is when you start to suffocate it or numb it out and really not take a look at it, then it just gets on a cycle and a pattern. And the universe will always try to tell you it's time to evolve. And it comes in different forms. And I hope that you don't see the drastic side of the form of negativity, but only working within the positivity, the enlightened side. So that's what I'm here to help you with. So make your list, check it twice, scratch off the things that aren't serving you, and let's come up with a plan. And if you need help with that plan, I'm here to serve. You can always reach me by my website. Okay, shall we get started with our Monday mantra? So the mantra that we're going to use is Om Namaha. Om, bringing in the full circumference of the universe frequency, the harmonizing frequency. Na, which is moving into the nadis of the body and the alignment of the stomach and the heart connecting. So we're going from earth into the stomach and to the heart. Ma, into the heart. Ah, ha. And we're going to shoot it up. So Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Again. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Visualize it moving through your body all the way up through the sky, letting it go in the great big I am. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Let's speed it up. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Breathing. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. 2 more times. Om Namaha. Om Namaha. Bring it into your hands, into your heart. Bowing down into the center, connecting the force of nature, of this planet. Pulling up through your bandhas, the place in between your sexual organs. Squeeze and inhale. Hold for 3 counts. And let out. Making decisions is your responsibility. You are the creator of your life. Use it. Use your creative tools, your inflection as your reflection. Use your abilities to make choices to serve your better good. This is all about you. Shine, 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 shine on, and allow yourself to live that life that you've always dreamed of. And if you're living that life that you've always dreamed of now, then blessings, blessings, blessings all over the place. Go out there and share it. Share it in groups, share it on Facebook, share it with your family. Look at yourself in the mirror and share it with yourself. My name is Brandi Vale. Be sure to sign on to our newsletters because next year we have a lot of great things coming up. I'm about to go on to a journey. So find out more through signing up on the newsletters. And namaste.